The best crystal for spiritual growth before 2025. Unlock your true potential. In a world where spirituality is becoming increasingly important, many of us are turning to alternative methods to help us connect with our inner selves and elevate our consciousness. One of these methods is using crystals, and today we're going to explore the concept of using crystals for spiritual growth and why it's a topic that's more relevant than ever in 2024. When it comes to spiritual growth, many of us face similar challenges. We may feel lost or disconnected from our higher selves, unsure of how to tap into our inner guidance or find our purpose. We might struggle to quiet our minds and find inner peace, or feel like we're stuck in a rut and don't know how to move forward. These challenges can be overwhelming, and it's easy to feel like we're alone in our struggles. But what if I told you that there's a tool that can help you overcome these obstacles and accelerate your spiritual growth? Crystals have been used for centuries for their healing properties and spiritual significance. And today we're going to explore how they can help you overcome these common challenges. One of the most significant benefits of using crystals for spiritual growth is that they can help you connect with your higher self. They can amplify your intentions and help you tap into your inner guidance, giving you the clarity and confidence you need to make decisions that align with your purpose. Crystals can also help you quiet your mind and find inner peace, promoting a sense of calm and tranquility that's essential for spiritual growth. So what is the best crystal for spiritual growth? After months of research and experimentation, I found that one crystal stands out from the rest. It's a crystal that's known for its powerful energy and ability to connect us with the universe. This crystal is amethyst, and it's been a game changer for my spiritual practice. Amethyst is known for its ability to quiet the mind and promote intuition. It's a powerful stone that can help you tap into your inner guidance and connect with your higher self. One of the things I love about amethyst is its ability to help you let go of fear and anxiety, allowing you to step into your power and trust your instincts. I've found that when I use amethyst in my meditation practice, I'm able to tap into a deeper sense of inner peace and connection. One of the most impactful ways I've used amethyst is by programming it with my intentions. I'll hold the crystal in my hand, focus on my intention, and visualize the outcome I desire. Then, I'll place the crystal on my third eye or heart chakra, allowing its energy to work its magic. I found that this process helps me stay focused and aligned with my goals, and it's been a total game changer for my spiritual practice. One of the most significant benefits of using amethyst for spiritual growth is its ability to help you break free from patterns and habits that no longer serve you. When we're stuck in a pattern, it can be challenging to see a way out. But amethyst can help you tap into your inner wisdom, giving you the clarity and confidence you need to make changes that align with your highest good. I found that when I use amethyst, I'm able to see things from a higher perspective, and it's given me the courage to make changes that have transformed my life. The most impactful insight I've gained from using amethyst is that it's not just about the crystal itself. It's about the intention and energy you bring to the table. When you use amethyst with an open heart and mind, you open yourself up to a world of possibility. It's not just about the crystal. It's about the connection you make with the universe and the trust you place in yourself. To summarize, amethyst is the absolute best crystal for spiritual growth in 2024. Its powerful energy can help you connect with your higher self, quiet your mind, and tap into your inner guidance. By using amethyst in your meditation practice, you can accelerate your spiritual growth and overcome the common challenges that hold you back. As we approach 2025, more and more people are turning to spiritual practices to elevate their energy, find inner peace, and awaken their higher selves. In this journey towards spiritual growth, one crystal stands out as a beacon of transformation. Amethyst. Known for its deep violet hues and calming energy, amethyst has long been revered for its ability to enhance spiritual awareness, balance emotions, and connect the mind, body, and spirit. Whether you're a seasoned practitioner or just beginning your spiritual path, amethyst is the ultimate tool to help you unlock your full potential. Amethyst is often referred to as the stone of spirituality, and for good reason. It has a unique energy that encourages meditation, intuition, and connection to higher realms. This crystal not only soothes the mind, but also helps in releasing negative thoughts and emotional blockages that hinder personal growth. By fostering a deep sense of clarity and focus, amethyst empowers individuals to break free from limiting beliefs and embrace their true selves. Its energy guides you toward alignment with your higher purpose, making it the ideal companion for anyone looking to elevate their spiritual practices before 2025. One of the most profound qualities of amethyst is its ability to protect your energy field. In a world filled with distractions and negativity, this crystal acts as a shield against lower vibrations, keeping you grounded while opening your third eye to divine insights. As we move closer to a new era of spiritual enlightenment, having amethyst by your side can help you stay connected to your inner wisdom and navigate the challenges of daily life with grace and clarity. It not only deepens your meditative state, but also enhances your ability to receive guidance from the universe. Imagine starting each day with a moment of stillness, holding your amethyst crystal, and setting your intentions for growth, peace, and higher awareness. By incorporating this sacred stone into your spiritual routine, you can tap into its powerful energy and experience profound shifts in your consciousness. Do you have a favorite crystal that has helped you on your spiritual journey? Brought to you by Orisha Oasis TV. Share your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who are on the path to spiritual growth before 2025.